Hi, looking for a free and portable PDF processor for Windows? Welcome to Caxuo PDFchop app. It can perform 5 PDF-related tasks in batch mode, and that too in just 4 steps for each of these. The 5 PDF-related tasks that you can perform with Caxuo PDFchop are compress PDFs, add watermark to them, rotate pages permanently, combine multiple PDFs to create a compilation, or extract PDF pages as images. And Caxuo PDFchop can be set up in just 1 minute on your computer. Open your browser and type levelup.caxuo.com and hit enter. Go to the menu on the right and then click the free apps on the left. Here is the app list page, which has all the free and useful apps by Caxuo to increase your productivity. We will be using our another app, Caxuo Pick.org, for photo viewing. And here is our app, Caxuo PDFchop. Click on Learn More to go to its page, then click the download button to open the GitHub release page of Caxuo PDFchop. On this page, you will find all the details about this app. As you reach the bottom of this page, you will find the download zip link, which you need to click to start the download. As the zip file is downloaded, open the Downloads folder. Here you will find that we have already set up other app Caxuo Pick.org for photo viewing, which is a free image organizer. Now, extract the zip of Caxuo PDFchop we just downloaded by right-clicking it and clicking on the Extract All. Then hit Extract button. In the unzipped folder, you will find exe shortcut, which you can double-click to launch the app. In the app interface, you will notice the simple layout of buttons. The first process is compressing PDF with Caxuo PDFchop. In this, we will be compressing an everyday type of PDF, which usually have 2 to 4 megabytes in size. As we have already downloaded and unzipped the Caxuo PDFchop, we are set to launch the PDFchop app right from its exe shortcut. We will use the Add button to add the PDF we just opened. Then we will select the compress process and then use the drop-down to choose the desired compression level. Fourth and final step is to set the output directory, and then hit Export button to start the PDF compression process. Then we will verify the PDF file size compression, and we will notice that we are able to reduce it by 50%. This ends our compression process. Up next, we will learn how to add watermark to PDFs with Caxuo PDFchop. For this, we will be using a large sample PDF book. We are ready to launch the Caxuo PDFchop app with its exe shortcut. Use the Add button to add the sample PDF book to be watermarked to the list. Then we have to select the watermark process, and then choose the PNG watermark image. From the drop-down menu, choose the location where you wish watermark to appear in your PDF pages. Set the rotation angle and then transparency with the sliders. Finally, set the target folder to save the watermarked PDF, and then hit Export. Let us see the results. Here, we can see that watermark is appearing on each page on the desired location, all thanks to PDFchop. We can compare it with our original PDF on which there is no watermark. This ends our watermark process. Subsequent to this, next we will see how easy it is to rotate the pages of PDF with Caxuo PDFchop. For this example, we will be using watermarked PDF from the previous process. Now launch the PDFchop app from its unzipped folder by double-clicking its exe shortcut. Then we will add those watermarked PDF in the list with the Add button. Choose the Rotate process by pressing Rotate button. In the preferences for Rotate process on the right, we can see drop-down which contain angles you can choose from. Then set the target folder to save the rotated PDFs with Output Path button and hit Export to start the rotating pages of PDFs. Then let us jump to the target folder to see the results. And here we will notice that now all the pages of this PDF are rotated by angle we have chosen. And then as we can compare this with the original PDF. Coming up next is the 4th PDF-related task, which is merging PDFs with Caxuo PDFchop. For this example, we will be using 2 sample PDFs. So quickly, we launch the Caxuo PDFchop app through its exe shortcut in its unzipped folder in the Downloads. Then we add these sample PDFs with Add button. Select the Merge process with Merge button. In the preferences, you will find 4 checkboxes with which you can make your PDF compilation more professional and useful by sorting, adding page number, or even index page. For this example, we will tick the bottom 2 checkbox to include page numbers and index page. Set the target folder to save the merged PDF image with Output Path button, and then hit Export button. Then open the Output folder in Explorer to check the merged PDF we have just created. In this, you will notice that not only the app has created index page, but also bookmarks for you to move directly in between all your PDFs easily. And then as we scroll down through this merged PDF, we will find that there is a page number is also created at the bottom of each page. This is how we can create a PDF compilation. Next in line is the fifth process and the final process for extracting the pages of PDF into image format. For this, we will be using sample PDF that we used in our previous process as well. Let us quickly launch the Caxuo PDFchop app from EXE shortcut in its unzipped folder in the downloads. Add this sample PDF to the list using Add button. Then select the page to image conversion process with Extract button. Here you can choose the output image format from the dropdown in the preferences. Set the output folder as target to save the images and hit export. Now we will view these extracted images in our photo viewer app, Caxuo Pick.org. Apart from these 5 essential TDF-related processes, Caxuo PDFchop also offers some unbeatable features, which you will not find anywhere else. This app is totally free and portable, as well as lightweight, privacy-friendly, and works 100% offline, without need of signups while supporting batch, bulk mode processing of PDFs. Please visit levelup.caxuo.com to learn more about this app, and do not forget to like, share, comment if you find this useful.